Do we have any scholarship options which is offered by the Sweden or Swedish universities is the common question which students do ask me. Yes, Sweden has a very good scholarship options for you, and the country also gives you good scholarships. So there are four kinds of scholarships that a student can actually look for. One is Swedish Institute Scholarship and University Specific Scholarship, Erasmus Mundus Scholarship, and the last one is the country-wise university grants. So these four categories, many students will fit into all four categories. First thing is you'll have to understand what are the intricate requirements of these particular options and what is the timeline and deadline is what is mostly important. Because many a time students do miss up with the scholarship deadlines for them. So this country has a different process for the scholarship choices. This Swedish Institute Scholarship will generally be between January 15th. That is the common deadline which you will have to apply with the universities too. Most of the times I've seen students applying for the scholarships on a later date. They'll start checking up with it. But Sweden does not work out that way. While the time you process your applications with the universities, you will have to parallelly apply for the scholarships too. If you miss that, then you will not have many choices for you to apply with. Next is university-specific scholarship. So this university-specific scholarship will be offered by the universities specifically for certain programs and for certain departments. And they do have, again, the application process will be dealt separately by the university in a separate portal. Either they will have the application process linked to the Sweden university's application process, or they'll have it in their own university website offering you a different scholarship sector for you. So if you are just concentrating on the program requirements alone and if you're not tapping on the scholarship application, then even though your profile is eligible for, you will not be able to grab the benefit. Next is the Erasmus Mundus. So what is this Erasmus Mundus program is? First semester you do study in Netherlands, or second semester you do it in Sweden, third in Denmark, or fourth in France. So it is a consortium program which is offered by the European Union altogether. So these programs are also simultaneously applicable to apply for scholarships too. So you will have to first understand what are the application timeline is what is more worthy for you to start make your grounding work, and also a specific, most of the time they do have a specific essay question or a specific document that you will have to attach along with your application process. Here is where every year I see many students missing up with the options for them. And the last part is the country-specific options. Like if you see with the KTH University's website, they do have certain programs or certain process specifically for Indian students. So many universities have specific grants towards an Indian particular country itself. So we'll have to understand what are the additional benefits a particular university giving up for Indian country. So you can apply for that also. Counting on all this, you do have good scholarship options from the Swedish universities, but working on the timeline and making the applications on time plays a very important role in you getting the benefits. The Sweden's application and admission journey, I have done an exhaustive video which is split into multiple parts. So please take your time in watching up the other segments too. And thanks for watching this particular video.